That's how you go.
Hello guys, welcome to Minecraft, but if we break blocks, we get gutted. Let's start. Now, wait, what
and
the fuck?
we can't touch
that?
Yeah, I was gonna say,
yeah,
what is this?
We can't touch grass.
Yeah, we can't touch grass either.
Yeah. Wait, what the fuck?
We also have polished blocks on stairs, so we're fine. This is from the canceled Michael movie.
Yeah, unfortunately the Michael movie got canceled because they accidentally deleted the file, and also because it's taking forever to upload. Yeah. It might come out in the future, I don't know. Our only goal is to find diamonds! Fuck yeah, baby! Hell
How about just one? How about just one? Actually, no, 5 sounds good.
We have 64. And 10 times.
Ow!
Oh, no! John, I'll help you! John! It hurts. I put your organ back in. John, I put your organs back in. It was part of the agreement, remember? How you were tired of me dying so you could and you could do whatever you wanted to do. So I put your organs back in. There. Yeah, put your organs back in. There. Your organs are back in. I'll put them back in. Oh wait, I'm out of replacement organ. Fuck you, Bobby. Well, I get that demon.
Have fun, and see you whenever we upload next. Which will probably be tomorrow, I don't know. That's how you go.